Hi, very good evening. Let me show you how you can create a simple to-do task website using ChatGPT within 1 minute. All you need to do is come on ChatGPT, come and write a code for to-do list using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Click on the start button. Okay, and it will start to write something here. I can provide an example code, so obviously it won't be a complete website with all the features and everything, but let's just see what it can write. So here's the HTML code for it. So now it's generating HTML code for us, a simple HTML tag and a link tag for style sheet and CSS, I guess. And then this is a heading to do form, and it's writing the form code for us. So you can see ChatGPT can do wonderful things for you, and it is writing the basic form and to-do task list for us. Okay, so let's just wait for it to finish. Now CSS, the CSS code is being written. It's still writing the CSS code, and you can see that this is what the wonderful world of ChatGPT is doing for us. And now JavaScript code is being written for us. That's it. That's a simple website written. Let's just test it. Open brackets. So inside brackets, what we do is we come here and click on paste. Go inside file, save this as, and in my folders, for example, documents, let me just create a folder to do website, and I will just save this as, for example, index.html. Once this is saved, now just come back inside here, and I have a CSS. So let me just copy this CSS, create a new file, Control V, file, save as, and let's just save this again inside documents. And where's my to do task folder gone? Here it is, and I will save style.css. Once this is saved, let's just come here down inside here in JavaScript code. Let me copy this, and I can just come in HTML code and write the script tag and paste the code here. So the script code is also incorporated JavaScript code, and we can give its type to be text/JavaScript. So we have the metadata correctly done. Once this is done, let's try to run this code and see if we can get an output. So if you run this code, voila, this is your to-do task list. So I can say, hello, let's create a website. Add task, and the task is added. Wonderful. See this, how simple it is. We can just create a website within one click using ChatGPT. Hope you like it.